Hi, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. 2-pack, garage, shelter, wherever you want to put these lights that require 110 volts. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside. They're individually and nicely packed. As you open up the unit, you get your hooks, your cable, and so forth. 110 volt and a power switch. You got your hook, this little white indicator that unplugs, that you can extend the cable into if you have the other one, like so. And each of the lights will open up like so. All 6 of them. You got hooks, 3 areas of interest as well. And they fold down about, I would say, 50 degrees on each one. Lock them into place. You have lights in the center, lights all around. Take each of the hooks, lock them down, screw it to lock it down. The beauty about these lights are, when you tie this light to that light, you turn the switch that's over here in the on position. So when you turn this light on, both lights go on. Now I'm going to shut off my main light, and you can see how bright this light is. And there we go. Oh man, if I had the room, the time, I would put a light over there and a light over here, and this will light up my garage like you cannot believe. They are bright. Now if I want to light the back up, I could take these things and I could start to adjust them into different areas of interest to really light up the walls and the side, like so. So there's a lot you can do with these lights. They're not just to shine down. You can adjust them and light up any area. You got a warehouse, a small office, a place you need to put light. I hope this product may be right for you. So now if I wanted just to run one light, I could shut the one light off, and you can see how powerful this light can be for just one area. On that note, I hope you enjoy your product. But if I shut this light off, both lights go out, not just one, both. I hope you enjoy your light.